Hello class, good morning, God bless you. Class, today we will proceed chapter number 7 with another topic about first aid. In previous class we studied about what is first aid and what emergency treatment we can give to a person who has fire burns. Now today we will proceed the same class with the treatment in case of severe or serious fire burns. What should be first aid given in case of a fire burn? Very first attempt is to wash the area, burnt area, with cold water. And when burning is serious, blisters are formed. Do not erupt those blisters. Just wash them with cold water and put a piece of cloth which is dipped in solution of baking soda. This is baking. The baking soda is easily available in all the kitchens because it is used in baking cakes and other bakery items. And in case of acid burns, you need to wash the burnt area with plenty of water, then follow the treatment like putting a cloth which is dipped in solution of baking soda. The next is the first aid which is given for injuries. Living a normal life at house or outside somewhere, we are always at the risk of emergencies. So sometimes we get injuries in the kitchen or while playing or handling other instruments. We have to see how serious the wound is. In case of minor wounds, just see, maybe these are cuts or scratches. They do not need a doctor at all. You can treat it at home by washing with soap and water. And after it, you can use antiseptic such as Dettol, which is available in all houses. Then you can apply in case of serious bleeding. If you have got a wound or a cut and the bleeding is not stopped, then you can apply ice in case of bleeding, so it will help you in stopping the blood from flowing out. Then you cover the cut with the bandage. Which bandage is it? Yes, this is Sunnyplast or sticky. But in case of deep wounds like this wound cannot be healed by just applying Sunnyplast over it. You need to wash it with water, then have some Dettol or antiseptic over it, and these wounds need stitches. These stitches are not made in our houses or using any sewing machine. These stitches are done or made by professional doctors. Like this, you can see this deep wound has been stitched by a doctor. How many stitches are there? 3 stitches are there. So this treatment is followed by injection tetanus. Again, the injection's reason is to stop any infection. What about the animal bites? If you have got some animal bite or some bite of a wild animal, a disease is caused. That's called as rabies. Like the bites of dogs and monkeys and other wild animals can cause this disease. You need to wash the area with water, then apply antiseptic over it. Then do not wait at home. You have to rush to a doctor. And you know what? In case of snake bites and cobra bites, these bites can cause death. So immediately bind the area above the bind the area where the snake has bitten, and you need to bind it very tightly so that it the poison will not flow towards the heart. So you, in the meantime, you will take that person to the doctor immediately. What about the broken bones and sprains? Sometimes when a person falls or gets hurt, a bone may get broken or fractured, but it is not easy to find it out if a bone is broken or not. So the patient will be feeling a great pain. So just rush to the doctor, and in case of bending your leg or joints, you may get sprain. So you can treat the sprains immediately at home by applying some Iodex or other painkiller tube, or wrapping it with an elastic bandage as it is done in this picture. So this is how you can heal your sprain. You can repeat the application of Iodex or painkiller tubes twice or thrice in a day to heal it soon. But in case of bone fracture, broken bone, the doctor will apply plaster of Paris or plaster on it, so that you need proper care in case of a broken bone. Like you see, a sling for a fractured arm is used here to support the arm in a fixed position. Now today's question is about what treatments should be given in case of fire burns, acid burns, deep wounds, snake bite, or just a minor scratch. Till then, you just go through the topic from the book and then write the answers for this question. Then we will see you, we will meet again in the next class with another topic. Thank you.